Hey, Bella, you're on. You gotta look at the camera. We're recording. Act like you're excited to be here. Alright, so we're gonna finish chapter 17. We have like 4 paragraphs left. I just ran out of time on our time limit for the recording. So here it goes. Are you gonna pay attention this time, Bella? Alright. It was such a territory of peace, of silence. I had never experienced such utter silence before, such stillness. The commotion within me went on, but at a lower volume, as if someone had turned down my dial, and an eerie thing happened. While I never did totally lose awareness of myself, I believe I did, so to speak, lose Cinnamon. I no longer felt his pulse, his presence in my hands. It seemed that we were no longer separate, but we were one. When the sun fell behind the mountains, I felt it as a faint coolness on my face. I don't know how long my eyes were closed, and when I opened them, she was gone. Alarmed, I jerked around. She was standing off a ways, smiling. Evening had come, while my eyes were closed. The mountain's dusky lavender had drifted over the desert, and we put on our shoes and headed for the highway. I expected her to interrogate me, but she did not. One moment the moon was not there, and then it was. Then one bright star, and we walked across the desert, hand in hand, saying nothing. So, what do you think Stargirl and Leo talk about when they leave the enchanted place? Do they? Or do they just walk away into the sunset together? Alright guys, we will see you later for chapter 18. Say bye, Bella.
Oh, bye, guys. I'll see you next chapter.
I'm sorry to embarrass you. See you guys.